YouTube? What are we doing today? We are at Gateway Classic Cars, New Braunfels, Texas, for their 1-year anniversary at their Coffee and Chrome morning meet on this Saturday morning. It is hot at 8:30 in the morning because it's Texas in the summer, nice and bright, and as you can see, a lot is full. Let's go find some cool cars. So yeah, we're gonna start our way in the back and make our way forward so we're not walking into the sun. So you might see my shadow in a lot of this, but how about that? 53, 54 Chevy, beautiful. And as you can see, that's the front. It's packed here. It's pretty much a USDM Holden. Nice conversion. I think these front ends look so cool. It's got the engine to go with it. Very sweet, beautiful metallic blue paint job on this classic Chevy truck. So many cool cars. I don't know if we're gonna get them all, but there's a bunch of them. Awesome 55 Chevy. Next to another classic Chevy truck. And if you hear that noise behind me, let's see what's going on over here. It's kind of like cornhole, but not. I mean, if you're gonna come hang out, might as well bring a game to have some fun. It's like Chuck E. Cheese for big kids. How about this nice Impala? Super cool. Here's a really sweet Dodge Challenger. I'm saying it's about a 69, 70. Very cool. Let's check out the engine. How about that? That is so neat. Looks like it's carbureted. Might be fuel injected in there. Looks like it might be like a pass-through type of Pro Charger thing. It's very cool. Looks like a lot of fun. And we got some hot stuff coming through. About this beautiful Ford. Sounds good. A couple of cool bugs. Baja style bug here. My nephew's building one of these in Arizona at 14 years old, and this cool little convertible. Bugs are neat. Bunch of Fox bodies, that's cool. Always some clean Fox bodies at these big meets here in San Antonio area. I know we're New Braunfels, but it's close enough. Here's one of my favorite cab overs. This awesome 55 Chevy, another one. This one's beautiful turquoise blue, well done. And right next to it is one of my favorite cab overs. See them all the time at the Wimberley Cars and Coffee. Very cool. Check that out. And I mean, which one? The beautiful hot rod or this awesome cab over? What do you drive? I mean, I guess if you have the option, take both, because they both look amazing. Very cool. And yes, I saw the purple hot rod right behind it. Very nice. Check out that interior. So nice. And this beautiful engine bay. So many cool cars today. Classic Cars is packed. Well, this is their warehouse. This isn't the Cars and Coffee portion. Sorry about my finger. This is their warehouse, and they are packed. And they have a bunch of cars for sale. They're not all classics. I mean, I guess this is a JDM classic, R32, and this thing is really cool. Check out how clean that is. Look at that. Can't tell in here. Video might show it. It's got a dark brown metallic. And look at this interior. Super clean. And anybody can come in here during the week, during the business hours, come and look, buy, bid, whatever you want to do. I do not work for them. I am not sponsored by them. But they have a lot of cool stuff, and we love cars. So here you go. Slowly making our way forward here. Loving this yellow classic truck. Ford with a newer engine. Beautiful interior. Such a nice truck. Check that out. Some very cool, very fast vehicles lined up right here. Check that one out. Let's walk over. Some serious drag cars right next to it too.
We went outside for 5 minutes.
Check that out.
Ronnie was here. We came back in.
Serious business on this guy. It's Fox body.
No, I went and checked.
All business. Probably not street legal, but a whole lot of fun for sure. And next to the Ford, you gotta have a Chevy, right? It's an awesome Camaro drag car. Just in case you want to follow, see what they're doing. It's, again, all business inside. Check out that small nitrous bottle there. I mean, is it NOS? Someone correct me if I'm wrong, please. But it looks like it's a pair of huge gauges too. Check that out. This looks all business. Let's look at that engine. Check that out. Serious work right there. That's gonna be fun to go down. There's probably 200 cars here today, at least, and they're still filling up. It's not even 9 o'clock. They open at 9. You know this car. It's ours. And we're parked here with our buddies from the Hot Rod Tour of Texas who made the trek from Victoria all the way down here, which is about an hour and a half drive. Very cool. They brought a few vets and a few other cars, but this is Bobby's police car Edsel, which is one of my favorite cars of the group. And you gotta enjoy that. It's gonna be a short one again today because we're gonna try and have fun and stay out of the sun because we got some more stuff to do today. So, hope y'all enjoyed it. Have a great week. That was for y'all. Awesome Oldsmobile. Very cool.